Looking for a new Bosch dishwasher? What's the difference between the Bosch dishwashers and the Bosch Benchmark dishwasher, which is their high-end line? We're going to go through a few differences, and depending on the retailer you go to, they may have one of these little fancy guides that kind of walk you through the difference between the 100, 300, 500, 800, and the Benchmark. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of give you the difference between the Benchmark and the 800 series, which is the closest model to the Benchmark. So first and foremost, when you get into the higher end pieces, whether it be the 500 series, 800, or Benchmark, they're all going to be very quiet. But when you get to the Benchmark, you're going to be below 40 decibels. So right off the bat, it is the quietest platform that Bosch builds. Okay. Next, when you look at the Benchmark versus this 800 series, wash system going to be identical. The back right, you're going to have their crystal dry system. So it uses zeolite technology to dry your dishes very quickly. So it is going to do a great job of drying without using a heating element at the bottom to damage or cause a possible fire inside. The other thing is the Benchmark series will have a water softener right here. So the water softener is designed to ensure that every load has soft water. So instead of having a whole house system, so if you don't have a whole house system, the dishwasher can make sure that the dishes are coming clean, you don't have those water spots, and it will definitely help with the overall action and preventative maintenance on a lot of the internal components so you don't get that calcium buildup that a lot of people experience. Really, the last cool feature that the Benchmark has that other Bosch series do not have is that interior LED lighting and the time display on the bottom. So inside you will have LED lighting on the Benchmark, and then you're going to have a timer at the bottom to show you how much time's left. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. We'd love to hear them. Go to donsappliances.com, and thank you as always for watching, and have a great day.